Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where I help you, the Pilates business owner, have a successful and thriving Pilates business by giving you useful insights as to how to run your business with regards to your financial, with regards to your marketing and your operations. If we haven't met before, my name is Anita Horry. I'm second generation Pilates teacher trainer. I've been in the industry for over 20 years and I am a Pilates business coach and I help newer Pilates teachers create the businesses of their dreams. In this week's video, we are specifically talking about a multifaceted marketing approach for your Pilates studio. So if you've recently taken the leap of leaving your old job to become a solopreneur, to open up your Pilates studio, your own Pilates studio, first of all, congratulations. And secondly, you are in the right place because this video is exactly for you. So let's get started. Congratulations on opening up your Pilates studio. Now, let us talk about what marketing strategies you need to be taking to build your first line of customers. You might already have some customers in line, maybe from your old job or maybe from doing some kind of subcontractual work in a local group or maybe an outdoor space, whatever it might be. You might already have some clients that are there in the pipeline to be starting with you. But in this video, you're really going to learn the right steps and the right strategies to build onto that audience, to build onto that client base, and to really start building the business of your dreams. The first crucial step is to have an online presence and to actually create a website. I know many Pilates teachers who don't have a website and they say that social media is enough. But if you're planning to have a multifaceted approach, you are not going to be relying solely on social media. Having your own website means that you have your own domain that is entirely yours. Any social media account can be closed down right now or tomorrow without you having any control of it. So all that hard work that you've been putting on social media for however long it's been it's not going to be efficient, because what's happening is that you lose all your clients, you lose all your contacts, whereas with your website, it's yours and you know nobody can touch it. So there are lots and lots of platforms where you can start building your own website. There's Wix. WordPress is a very, very good website creation platform, and what is really good with WordPress is that it integrates with many other programs that you would eventually need as your business grows. So you might not want an online booking platform just now because you've only just started, but with WordPress, you know that you will be able to link the booking platform. And there are lots of other platforms. And I said, I'm not here to tell you which platform you should be using, but having your own website with a good base as a platform where you can grow, and you'll be able to add to it as your business grows is crucial to your business and to your marketing strategy. Where you need a platform where you can showcase your studio, you can showcase your class offerings, and maybe even integrate a scheduling tool. Your potential clients can now sign up for your classes right from your website. So it's going to make the entire process of them booking online with you absolutely seamless. Now, your website also plays a vital role in your social media strategy. Using the URL from your own site and linking that into the social media accounts is going to increase growth for your website, which then means that it's going to improve its search engine optimization, its SEO. So that's going to rank you higher whenever anybody in your area looks out for Pilates businesses, Pilates teachers, Pilates studios. So the more links you have from your website to social media accounts, the better it is for your own brand and for your own business. Social media is so busy. There are so many different posts that it's very easy to lose a post that you've posted recently. Whereas if you put the link and they go straight onto your website, they'll be able to find out all they need to find out about you, talking about yourself, your business, your services, your location, and using your website to also create that community engagement is going to be crucial to not only improve your marketing, but also increase your business. Now, let's talk about creating valuable content. As a Pilates expert, you have a wealth of knowledge to share. So in having regular blog posts on your website, sharing valuable content for your target audience, and make sure that all your blog posts are written for your target audience, then it's going to be information that's going to be spread across the board. So if one person likes your blog, they want to share it with their friends, then more and more people are going to see it, like it, and then log into your website. And what's that going to do? That's going to again increase your search engine optimization and again drive more clients to your business. Now, with regards to what kind of topics you're looking at when you are writing your blog post, it really is going to be relevant, anything that's relevant to your target audience. So I could give you a number of topics, but they might not even be relevant to the people you are wanting to speak to, you want to attract to your studio. So identifying who your target audience is super crucial for you to be able to start creating the content that's going to be driven towards them. Now, you can also start exploring the benefits of actually having a home practice. So, for example, if you have clients or you want to target clients who have a difficulty in visiting a gym, maybe they feel completely overwhelmed by the fact that there's lots of noise, lots of music, and they feel a little bit self-conscious and they're not comfortable with their bodies and they don't want to be going to these kind of gyms. And offering that personal space, offering that private space in your own home studio, it's really going to be targeting these guys to say, look, I'm here, I'm available, I'm going to give you a very personalized service, and you don't have to put up with any noise, any music, or any kind of self-awareness. So that's giving you the empowerment to say, I'm here, I'm different, and these are the benefits you're going to be getting from coming to me in my home studio. Now, once you have your blog post, this is where your multifaceted strategy is going to happen. You can use that blog post and you're going to be turning it into a multitude of other marketing strategies that you're going to be posting on your social media, maybe sending emails and communicating with your clients in various different forms. So you can repurpose your blog post into 5 or 7 engaging social media posts. You can do a reel, you can do a post, you can do a TikTok, you have to decide what platforms you want to be using for social media. Now, the most famous ones would be Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And there's also LinkedIn. LinkedIn can also generate you more business. Now, it really, really depends on the kind of people that you are wanting to attract. So you know that Instagram is more popular with the influencer type, with the younger generation, whereas Facebook is more popular with the older generation. You have to determine where your client sits. What does your client look at? What do they watch? Which channel are they on? I always compare this to a radio station. And I say, if you want to be attracting clients that always listen to 89.1 FM and you're on 98.2, you're never going to meet. So you need to make sure that you get on the 89.1 FM station and you make sure that you sit there and you send your message across to them there. So find your target audience and find out where they listen, what they do, where they go for their time out, for their relaxation, and just make sure you post on there. Now, that's not to say that If your target audience is mainly a Facebook user, then maybe you don't do Instagram. If you have the time and you have the ability to put your message across all different types of social media, that's going to create more outreach for you. And then you might actually find that some people will come from the other platform, but the majority of your target client will come from one particular space. Now you can share snippets of this invaluable information in various different forms, as I said, photos and videos, and you can also go on YouTube. There's lots of ways to do this. And don't forget to use relevant Pilates related hashtags in your posts. So you have to research this, and purely by going back to that particular platform and doing research about your topic that you're writing about, just do hashtags about that particular topic and see what else comes up, and see whether you can look at whatever other hashtags they're using. Maybe, especially if it's a very popular post, maybe you look at those hashtags and see whether it's going to be relevant for your blog post. See, you need to do research on this, not just coming up with a topic and say, okay, I want to talk about this. Actually posting, doing blog posts about topics that people are asking about is going to help you generate the interest for your business and for your posts, and then get the people to sign up for your classes. Now let's dive into advertising. So regardless of whether your client sits on Instagram or go to Facebook or whatever other platform that you see is fit for them, you're gonna need to start by doing some paid advertising. But there's a little word of warning for you here. Do not go crazy on social media advertising, because the conversion rate from social media advertising since COVID has gone down. It's gone down a lot. So you need to give yourself a budget, and you should say that you're going to be spending X amount of money on a specific campaign, and try, if you say, for example, you put an maximum $50 a month, and I would not recommend that you would spend any more than that as a small business owner. And you would want to say, well, I'm going to run 2 campaigns or 3 campaigns in the month, and make sure that you have a specific budget for each campaign. Organic marketing is absolutely the way to go. The only thing with organic marketing that is much, much slower. So if you want something instant, even if you're just looking for branding, even if you just want people to find out who you are and get to be familiar with you, you need to build that know, like, and trust factor. So if they start to get to know you, to see you on Facebook or Instagram, and then they get to like you, and then, by chatting with them through Messenger or through their Instagram posts, the private chats on Instagram, then they're going to start having conversations with you, and that's when they're going to start liking you and trusting you. So it's not going to be an easy process, as in it's not going to be a quick process. It will be a long-term process, but it's going to give you the clients that you want. You don't want to be bringing bums on seats and then they'll leave, because it's going to cost you a lot more to get new clients into your studio. Now, when it comes to social media advertising, another thing that I need to mention is that you have to have a specific campaign for a target audience. So when you are running your social media campaign, make sure that you narrow down your target audience to your niched audience, because then you'll be spending money on social media advertising where you don't need to. Yeah, so make sure that you really try to niche it down as small as you can to get hold of the people you want to be coming to your studio. Now, let's not forget the power of off-media marketing. What does that mean? The power of perhaps word of mouth. So creating some beautiful postcards. You don't even need to be doing business cards, because people are not really interested in business cards anymore, but doing postcards or something that's going to offer some kind of value. And you can use Canva for this. Canva has got some amazing graphics that you can do. Like even the most untechy person can work on Canva. Canva can create some amazing designs for you that you can use, that you can share with your local community. Now you can put some captivating images from your home studio. They'll get to see the fresh, the beautiful studio that you've got, and then maybe on the flip side of it, give them some tips on how they should be contacting you to work with you. So you can also offer some special offers and packages just to say it's a startup, and you can offer that the first 3 months, for example, I'm giving at a discounted rate, and have these postcards, and you can share them to your community, put them in your local hairdressers and wherever your target audience meets. You know, this offline approach may help you get to those people who are not on social media. And believe it or not everybody is on social media, and especially if it is the older generation. So if your target audience is the older generation, then you might need to use that different approach. Now, the other thing is your email marketing. So you're going to need to start building your list. By building your list, you're going to be generating an interest in people who want to be taking your services. Now, this is a long-term strategy. This isn't going to help you get clients just like that, but it's going to help you build your brand and your customer base in the long term. So if you, for example, decided to create a workshop for prenatal mothers, say it's going to be for prenatal, so you are creating a campaign on social media and you're creating posts for Pilates for prenatal moms, and you're generating interest. So what the first thing you want to do is create this post and have a link to your website so they could sign up for your upcoming free workshop. You don't even need to charge for it. But what that's going to do is going to get their email address onto your platform. So you need to have some kind of platform like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or even Kajabi. There are many platforms where you can have for your email management system, email marketing system, and then from there you could send them regular emails about the coming workshop and any other future workshops that you might have. So by doing that and integrating that, you're going to be keeping in touch with your community. So if you're wanting to create your brand, creating then this multifaceted marketing campaign that we're talking about. So you're doing the Instagram post, the social media posts, your emails, you're doing your website, you're doing your prints, your Canva, you're doing your paid marketing. All this is going to help you generate so much more interest in your campaign and also generate a lot more people to sign up for your classes. And there you have it, a multifaceted marketing approach for your campaigns and for your new home-based Pilates studio. By providing valuable content, engaging with your audience on social media, driving traffic to your website, and incorporating offline marketing strategies, you'll be well on your way to attracting more and more clients to your sessions and growing your business. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to learn a little bit more about how to build your business, I'm your girl. Having had experience in the Pilates industry for over 20 years, having built my own businesses from scratch, if you want to know how I built my first business, watch this video over here. It's going to show you how I built my first Pilates business with very little money. And again, it was also a home-based business. So it might be giving you a little bit more insight on how I did things then to the way that I'm doing them now. But of course, a lot of years have passed by, but it could be super powerful for you to understand how you as well can build your Pilates empire. You know, at the end of the day, we are here to give amazing sessions to our clients. We are here to give a service to our community. But if we are building a Pilates business, we are here to make profits, and we are here to have an income, to have a living, to be independent. That's why we're not working for anybody else. And this is really the place to be. If you want to work with me, check out the link below. I can offer you a free discovery call to find out whether we're a good fit and also whether I can help you. Now, if I can't help you, I promise you, I will send you to somebody I know will. And if that's not even an option, I will send you to some resources that can help you initially until you're in a position where you'll be able to work with a coach. And if you did like the video, I would really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a video online. Until my next video, guys, have a good one. Goodbye.